dito sa problem na to, binigay yung isometric natin. Isometric mo. Okay. Kailangan raw natin yung multi-view ng solid mo. So, first thing here is kailangan natin makuha yung glass box mo. So, for this glass box, kailangan natin ma-imagine kung nasan yung extents mo. From this one, okay, maybe, ito yung edge mo. Ito yung, so, medyo sure ako na yung pinaka-bottom ng drawing ko would be itong feet kong yan. Okay. So, if I'll judge height, I'll judge from dito. Then, gagawa ko ng construction line ko. Okay. Here. Construction line siya. And, meron ng construction line. And dito. Okay. Kasi pag hinati ko siya, parang meron siyang symmetry. Pag minirror ko siya dito, parang same lang siya here and here. Okay. So, gumawa ako nito para makuha ko yung parang isang corner ng glass box ko. Maybe, na andito siya. Okay. Then, from here, what I'll assume is that maybe yung top layer ko is nandito sa triangle na yan. Okay? Maybe itong triangle na to. Okay? Okay, so I'm assuming that this plane is normal. Okay? This plane is normal and this is the topmost plane ko. Okay? If ganun, okay, if this plane is normal, okay, if I look at the measure of this, okay, this one, pag binaba ko yan, okay, makita ko, same lang siya dito. So, if ito yung pinakataas ko and normal siya, dapat yung height ko, ma-judge ko from here until here. So, maybe, yung glass box ko, okay, maybe yung glass box ko, yung length niya is actually ito. Yan. This one. Maybe this would be my glass box. Then, I'll just sketch out my glass box using my assumptions. And titingnan ko if it would eventually make sense. So, ito raw yung dimensions ng glass box ko. Ito ako ginawa. And if tumama siya, then masaya yung buhay natin. Okay. Now, I take this and I'll just put it up. Okay. Pag nangyari yan, yun raw siya. And mukha namang tama yung nakuha natin. Okay. Pag hindi tama yung assumption nyo, kailangan yung mag-assume, diba? But for this one, mukha naman tama siya. Assume natin normal to and this one. So, ito yung pinaka-bottom and this top. Because fully na close naman yung figure natin inside of this glass box. Then I'll just put my glass box here into these three, so HRP, FRP, and PRP ko. I have this. Okay. So, yan yung glass box ko. So, yung glass box dito yung pinaka-important because pag nagkamali kayo sa glass box, well, mahira yung multi-view nyo. So, now, I go from my isometric view, I start drawing. So, dito, trial and error naman to. Kailangan kong mag-assume ng feature na kaya ko i-drawing. So, for this one, ang pinakamadaling assume for me is itong top ko. Itong normal plane, itong top ko. Pag normal itong top ko, okay, then this one, mukha siya nasa gitna nito. Drawing ako ng line here. Okay. Then, have this. Itong triangle kong yan, this triangle here is this triangle ko dito. Okay. Yan yung normal ko. Then ito, meron ka this line here and this line here. Okay. Itong linyang kong yan, this line and this line here, mukha siyang parallel dito. So maybe this is actually an inclined plane because this one, itong triangle kong dito, pag tinuloy ko siya dito sa baba, from here until here, yung triangle kong yan. And sa side view ko, sa right side, ito siya. Okay. Then ito, inclined siya. Dito sa taas, ito lang yung edge na yan. Pero pag dito sa baba na siya, from here until here, dito hanggang just trim this. Then, have ito. Same dito sa kabila. Okay. Ito siya. Okay. So, this one and this one, paano mang siyang tama. Then, I go with my assumptions until makuha ko siya. Okay. So, now I got this and I got this. Okay. So, balik ulit tayo sa top view. Mula sa top view ko, ang possibility nitong this one here is itong feature kong ito, tagil ko na yung glass box. Okay. Itong feature kong ito, hindi siya magiging ka-level nitong normal na plane ko. Okay. This one and this one shouldn't be on the same level. So, dapat, if this is normal, this should be inclined, and this line here should be of lower elevation than this one. Okay, pwede rin siya oblique, pero for this one, assume natin na inclined siya. So, if mangyayari yun, okay, if mangyayari yun, kailangan natin malaman, nasan ba ito? Okay. So, ito, maybe, kadugtong niya lang yung ganyan lang siya. Okay. This line here is maybe this line. Okay. Ang linya mong yan is this line dito. Okay. But if this is of different elevation, this one, maybe etong nasa baba mong yan. Okay. And maybe ito. Okay. Maybe ito ay naandito. Okay? So, paano ko siya ma-verify? So, gagamit ako ng advanced technique. The try ko is, kuha ko nitong line na to, extend ko. Okay? Until ma-reach niya. Ito. Yan. Okay? Then, check ko, tumama ba siya sa midpoint? Tumama siya sa midpoint. Mali pala yan. Okay? So, for this one, ina-assume ko na itong linyang kong yan, maybe, okay, pag ginawa ko yung projection ko, maybe, it's going from here until somewhere dito. Okay? Till somewhere dyan. Okay? Paano ko siya na-assume na ganyan? Well, nag-assume ako. Okay? Parang mali assumption. Oh, well. Okay? So, assume ko that this one, itong face na to, okay, or this dito, parang normal siya sa likod, meron pa siya dito sa likod. Yan. Then, nakadikit siya sa face kong yan. If gano'n yung nangyari, then mangyayari is pag ganyan siya. Somewhere dito. And kailangan ko malaman nasan siya exactly? Here. So, gagamitin ko yung aking isometric lines, or gagawin ko is kunin ko yung distance niya from here, papunta sa taas, dito, and yung distance niya papunta dito. Okay? Pag kinuha ko yung distance na yan from here until here, this is your distance na yan. Okay? So, I'll move it here para makuha ko kung ano yung elevation niya from the front view. So, I'll move it from here to here. So, it's somewhere along dito. Then, para makuha yung kabila, okay, from this edge papunta dito, ako ulit circle, here, so tumama siya dyan. Okay. Then, kunin ko yung distance na yan. Then, nalagay ko siya dito. So, maybe, yung line ko is mula dito hanggang dito. Then, itong line na yan is from here until here. Okay. So, itong line kong to is itong line na yan and itong line na yan. If linapat ko siya dito sa wall ko. Okay. Then, if that is the case, what I can do is, if this is an inclined plane, okay, if inclined plane yan, then maybe meron din siyang parallel siya dito and connected siya here. So, mangyari para siyang rectangle dito. And, yung isa rin mo dito, meron siyang parang rectangle. Ganyan. Then, ito, okay, itong part na to, hindi lang talaga siya actually square. Maybe, okay, meron pa siyang kakabit pa ganyan dito na nakatago sa likod mo. Na connected dyan. Since ina-assume ko na normal siya, nandito siya, normal, then makita ko siya dito. Ako siya here. Let's turn this one. Then, ganyan siya. Ito sa baba, medyo madali lang siya makita. This is a ramp, this is a ramp. Okay? Then, assume natin, saan ba ito magto-terminate? Since ito, okay, since this corner here, we can assume that this ramp will terminate to somewhere there. And, yung height na to, if this is 1/2, maybe ito 1/2 din kasi parang solid block siya na ganyan. Maybe ito 1/2 rin siya. So, yung rampa ko is from until half lang nito, which is somewhere nandito. Gagawa ko dyan. Something like that. Okay? Paano ko ma-verify if tama yan? So, gagawin ko, kunin ko yung height na yan. Okay? Kunin ko yung kalahati niyan, which is from this until this. Then, extend ko tong linya na to. If tama yung assumption ko, dapat, if connected to hanggang dito, tama siya here. Umama naman siya. So, hanggang dito nga yung rampa ko. Okay. Parang gumawa tayong hidden line sa likod. So, tama dapat na yung ramp ko is ganyan. Then, sa other side, same lang naman din siya. Yung ramp ko will be here. Okay. Then, from the other side, this one looks same as this one. So, itong nakuha natin kanina, same lang siya nito. And, itong nasa kabila, same lang siya nasa kanina. This is inclined, this is normal. Inclined. And normal plane. Okay? Itong sa likod ko, itong nasa likod kong yan, para lang siyang normal plane nakatago. Okay? It can be just a pillar, but idikit na natin siya dito. Mumukha siyang ganito. Okay? Kasi, pag kinuha ko itong box ko, ito siya. We can assume na nakalapat siya dito sa edge kong yan. See? Tumama siya dito sa corner. Paano ko makuha yung elevation na to? Kunin ko yung distance from here until here, which is conveniently itong distance na to. So, hindi na natin makuha yung hidden line na yan. It will be behind here and behind here. Okay? Then, kailangan natin i-drawing itong ramp na to. This ramp here, kailangan natin i-drawing sa top view and this one. Since ito nahati at this line, or this line here, itong box na yan, is nandito. Ito yan. Ito yung normal na yan. Makita natin yung rampa mo dito sa baba. From here. And ito rin sa kabila. From here. Then itong edges nito, kita mo siya from the side and the front view. It will look something like this. And something like this. Then, yan dapat yung multi-view natin. This should be your multi-view.